This is the Genesis G90. The in-depth navigation system in the G90 allows you to adjust various settings to suit your personal taste, including specific navigation volume settings. For general navigation volume adjustments, tap the map button on the head unit to set the infotainment screen to the navigation display. You will find the navigation volume controls at the bottom of the screen. Tapping the voice button will turn the voice prompts on or off. When the voice volume menu is open, you can adjust the volume by using the touchscreen or the central control knob. Tapping the Beeps Sounds button will turn the sound effects on or off. When the Beeps Sounds volume menu is open, you can adjust the volume by using the touchscreen or the central control knob. The volume priority feature will set the navigation guidance volume to be louder than current audio volume. The G90's navigation system also allows volume adjustment for specific features while navigation is active. To access, press the Setup button, Sound, Guidance, and Guidance volumes. Here you can adjust the volume levels of separate items such as confirmation beeps, navigation guidance voice, navigation beeps, cluster alerts, voice prompts, and more. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.